All right, for 19, which choice most closely matches the stylistic pattern established earlier in the sentence? So let's figure out what the stylistic pattern is and then just, make our choice. So the sentence starts right here. This is the underlined portion, so our sentence starts with the room. So the room is simple but spacious, with a small sink and counter along one wall, a cast iron wood stove and some hanging pots and pans against another, and a small table under a window of the third wall. So prior to this moment, we see that basically the pattern here is that you're describing something along one wall, something against another wall. And so what you probably want to continue is just the objects and then along or next to or with or somehow relating to a third wall. So given that, what we have already written sounds pretty good. It fits pretty well. Here we have the objects and then the objects and the wall, the objects and then the wall, and then objects and wall. So the way it is seems pretty fitting, but let's look at B, C, and D. B says a small table is under the third wall's window. So you see how they switched the order? Now we're talking about relating the object to the wall's window rather than the wall, right? As opposed to under the window of the third wall. So here's changing the style, changing the pattern, and that goes against what we had before. Because before, again, we're relating the object to where it is against the wall, not the window. So B is out. C, the third wall has a window and small table. Again, this isn't what we had before. The style was that object and then whichever wall, right? Not that the walls have stuff. So C is out, and D has the same exact problem as C, where you have like naming the wall first, then the objects. So A, no change, because this already fits the pattern of the stylistic pattern of the rest of this sentence. So that's good parallel structure.